Hey everybody, call me Felix, and I have a few overdue episodes from the more fun days of my 648-day lockdown in the northwest Philippine province of Ilocos Norte. Yes, does anybody remember that place, Ilocos Norte? I sure don't, or I sure don't want to. In this yet-to-be-released adventure from Ilocos Norte, and one of my very last to date, I'm taking you to what's claimed to be the largest water park in the whole Ilocos region, and little did we know this was in our backyard of Laoag City, the Ilocos Urban Wave Resort, just off the Laoag-Poway Road. So, there's a bit of backstory to this, which Cousin JP and I will explain later. But I wanted to treat JP for his birthday to a few days in La Union, which at the time was opening up to fully vaccinated tourists within Ilocos Region. This would have in effect ended the personal 648-day lockdown in Ilocos Norte sooner by about 3 weeks. But there was miscommunication in that we had to file all our paperwork at least 5 days in advance to get clearance over the border, and we found out a couple days too late. I wound up canceling the trip with no penalty at all, and so no harm, no foul. I did, however, have a couple of disappointed, unhappy campers. JP, of course, was let down he couldn't celebrate his 25th birthday with his hipsters his age in La Union, whereas Warren was even more despondent because at the time he had spent all 21 plus years of his life within the border of Ilocos Norte. You think my 648-day lockdown was bad, huh? Well, anyway, at the last minute, JP found a place that he really wanted to spend his birthday picnicking, and not by the river in Bagbag or Sarat, as is the usual pastime in Pitdig to celebrate birthdays, and that place was Ilocos Urban Wave Resort, which we both likened to Ilocos Norte's answer to raging waters in San Dimas, California, where the 57 and the 10 meet. The Ilocos Urban Wave Resort features a huge lap pool, a shallow lazy river, a few soaking tubs, and the pièce de résistance is the two types of wave pools with two lazy rivers converging and a simulated beach. If you want to stay here overnight or a couple of days, you certainly can for about 4,000 pesos a night, if memory serves me correctly. So, for JP's birthday, we had the entire Ilocos Urban Wave Resort to ourselves, mainly because it was a Monday, and we spent the entire afternoon until close in the evening. It wasn't Surf Town La Union and all the hip bars and restaurants down there, but we had fun all the same, except you can argue more wholesome fun. Just grilling, picnicking, and catching some waves at the largest wave resort in the Ilocos region, not to mention the only one. So without further ado, here's our outing at the Ilocos Urban Wave Resort. Enjoy!
Hey everybody, call me Felix, and a funny thing happened on our trip going to La Union. We totally forgot to register for our QR codes.
So apparently you need 5 days before you actually go, which they're changing on December 1st. And the purpose of us going was
To celebrate your birthday, cousin JP!
So yes. So we didn't know about it. So we looked for something
And
else.
we canceled, so thankfully I got free cancellation on the day of, so that's what we did. We stayed home in Ilocos Norte. And I mean, who doesn't want to leave this heavenly province of ours, right?
So we decided to do a staycation
at Ilocos Urban Wave Resort.
Urban Wave Resort. So
Yeah.
you guys gotta check this place out. It's actually pretty
They
nice.
say it's the first and only wave pool in Ilocos.
Hey.
Yeah, in Ilocos Region, that's right. So we're gonna ride the wave, everybody, and we're gonna tell you all about this place. We're gonna picnic, we're gonna grill, we're gonna go swimming around the lazy river, take laps around the Olympic pool, we're gonna go in the hot tub.
And the raging waters.
And the best part, the raging waters.
Raging waters.
Yay! Who'd have thunk that it would be here in Ilocos Norte that we could find this gem? Yes. But so far, we're the only people here.
It's really unassuming outside, guys. Actually, when we first got here, outside there's like it's very countryside, right? There's like goats roaming around. But when you look at this place, you're gonna be like, what? Really?
Yeah.
Very unassuming.
Yeah, it is very
awesome,
cool. And I didn't know that they had a wave pool, everybody. I mean, isn't that exciting? Wave pool.
In Laoag.
In Laoag. Yay! I'm gonna take you on a tour of this lovely place of Ilocos Urban Wave Resort. Everybody probably should hang out here more often. Yeah. It says enjoy the thrill of your wave pool adventure. There's no waves, everybody. No waves at all. See, no waves. It's very placid. Not even a lazy river. Is this a hot tub? Oh, I don't know. We're going to review the Urban Wave Resort here in Laoag. Tell you all about it, about the raging water pool. We're going to show you that. The lazy river, the Olympic-sized swimming pool, and then, yeah, just the total experience about us being here instead of La Union, and say, look, there's a tiny part of Ilocos that make you want to, well, make you want to forget you're in Ilocos, or there's a compelling job of taking you elsewhere other than Ilocos. Oh snap, I just said it.
Yo, what's up guys? So we are here at Urban Corn Dog Company.
The Urban Corn Dog Company owns this place, right? Urban Wave Resort?
Yes, a little bit.
Seems like we do. Just JP and us and all these rowdy crew.
We rent here, sir, right?
What?
All over here places we rent.
We rent this place?
Yeah,
I thought you said we own this place.
Yeah, we own this place. Yeah, I'm sorry. Guys, we own this place. So we stay here for how many days?
I don't know. This was supposed to be our La Union trip,
Oh
right?
yeah, it's supposed to be La Union.
Yeah.
So yeah, enjoy the view.
Yeah. This is our consolation prize.
About...
You know what consolation prize means, right? Because we couldn't go to La Union, we had to stay here instead, closer to home. We haven't gone outside of Ilocos Norte yet, Warren.
Yeah, that's
20 years.
Fucking
We've
problem.
not gotten out yet.
Because of that freaking...
Yeah, because we have to
process.
register online and the hotel didn't tell us that we could. So they shall remain nameless because we're not going there anyway to La Union. So
I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry for the reservation. We're very sorry po. Kasi di nyo po
and we had to
kami-
cancel last minute, literally. And then we got refunded in full. So nothing happened. And we're here instead. Close to home, but for Warren, he's a little bit bummed.
Yeah.
He's not gotten out of the province of Ilocos Norte yet.
So I stepped in here in Ilocos again.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep. And the nice thing is we can swim all day because it's not very hot. It's cloudy. It's windy.
It's windy.
Yay.
It's cloudy. Oh, that's why I like it. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Look, you know these hot tubs?
Pasukin or so here in Poway.
Pasukin! Pasukin.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's not talk about Pasukin because we have a lot of things to say about like how they couldn't afford our food. Yeah. Or they didn't know what the heck a funnel cake was.
Some people said that they are like taga-Banbantay.
What does that mean?
Is it like you're from mountain? Saying like, wow. Something like that.
And otherwise known as a country bumpkin in the States. By the way, I thought this was a hot tub. It just feeds water into the pool.
Was it hot?
Didn't feel hot to me. Let's take a little.
Oh,
Doesn't feel very warm.
Right now. So if you go in there, the water's like kinda...
We're waiting for the waves to come on.
Yeah, waves.
Yeah, that's most important. The waves.
Yeah.
Oh la la.
It's like you're at the beach.
Yeah. Like you're on the beach. Yeah. So this is the lobby. I guess you could say. The lobby. Makes you feel like you're in raging waters because they tell you where the exit and entrance are.
If you guys enter this place, it's kinda very strict because they don't allow breakable things, stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's almost like a theme park back home in the States. It's like a water theme park, but not as many rides,
What
let's say.
move is that? You wearing a tag or something?
What movie? That's
It's
when
a
you go to a
movie.
concert.
Oh yeah. I haven't yet going to a concert.
You've never had any wristbands on your
Yeah.
wrist before.
No.
It's the first
it's
time
like
for Lauren.
But it's like local concert.
Yeah, it's not a concert at all. Yeah, this is the main lobby where you can order drinks, you can order snacks, but you can't order full-on food. Hand station, wash stations everywhere. Neat little touches here and there where you can sit and relax.
Glenn, you know guys, Glenn just starting out.
And so this is the grill station. Grill station. You gotta do everything yourselves over here, DIY. It almost looks like a wash station, but it's really a
We
grilling
rented the
station.
whole entire resort to ourselves.
Yes, it's
so
like we
that's
own
like
this place. It's like it's owned by the Urban Corn Dog Company.
And the funnel cake factory.
Oh yeah, but that's the reason why it got urban in its name, though. They're heating up charcoal for our steak and pork and chicken barbecue. Yeah. Some people are looking weirdly at the camera because they're new to this vlog thing. Ooh, chicken breast. Ooh la la. The hell are you doing?
They're enjoying by himself. Playing with his small pee-pee.
It's not what it looks like. Oh, it popped! Yay! It popped! Yay! Pop goes the weasel. What is that noise? What is that noise? It's on! It's on! The waves are on! Whoa! Okay, while the boys are enjoying the wave pool finally on, you know what? That's for suckers. You gotta eat your food first. And some other things, mashed potatoes, pancit. I don't care for that. Okra. What's this?
Ribeye steak. Ribeye steak.
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, give me.
Yeah, is it cooked,
Yeah.
Ben?
The metal
Go
one.
look at it.
I brought the metal one. Where'd you get that one?
I have 3 more.
Oh, you do? Good. Give me one.
Yeah, ribeye steak. So, while the boys are doing that, missing out on our awesome lunch. Really, the awesome part is the steak. Ooh la la. Okay, we're gonna chow down on steak and then we're gonna get in the wave pool.
Here, JP.